Hey, Thomas at MotionBuzz here. Today I want to show you how to quickly and easily add 301 redirects to your WordPress site. To use an example, I'm going to use lgssales.com, a site we launched this week. We actually moved it over from Joomla to WordPress. Now let's just look at a few of the search results. Joomla does a fair job at allowing you to have extensionless, search engine friendly URLs. But as we click through, we can see this one right here. It ends with a hyphen. Sometimes Joomla 1.5 would truncate long URLs. Now the problem is we've already switched this over to a new URL. WordPress does not allow us to end with a hyphen, nor should we. So when we click through, it takes us to a page not found, which isn't horrible. It's not really an error per se. It allows people to navigate around, but the best usability is to redirect it and take people to the correct page. So that's what I'm going to show you. Just to compare, back in the day, or even now, some people, if you're not using WordPress, you would have to hand code these 301 redirects. They're not hard, but it just gets tedious. So this would be the old path, and this would be the new URL. And you'd have to write lines and lines and lines of it for every page that has changed or every URL that has changed, and you'd add it to your htaccess file. So how do we do it in WordPress quickly and easily? There's this plugin called Redirection. I've already installed it, so I won't go through that process. But once you install it, it files it under Tools. So we'll go to this page here. And you can see I've already added some redirections. And most of them are ones that ended with a hyphen, or they didn't have all the words in there that we wanted to. So to add one, it's really simple. We just go to the old URL, copy and paste it, and then we go to the new URL, which to do that I'm going to just navigate to that page. Oops, not nutrition. Recipes, and grab it. I'll grab that URL and paste it in, and I'll hit add redirection. Just to look at it, you can see this is the source, this is the old one without the whole domain name and everything, and this is the new one with the entire URL with HTTP, all that stuff. And it's a 301 moved permanently. We save it. Now let's test it out. Let's go back to our search results page. Okay, and you can see when we click on it, it takes us right to the new URL. And Clementine Oriental Spinach Salad. So see how this works? This old URL, even though this is the one still indexed by Google, we're going to submit a new sitemap, and over time, usually it doesn't take too long, but over time Google will get the new URL. The 301 redirect is signaling that this is the new URL, but there may be other reasons. Maybe in marketing material or in an email newsletter, that old URL was included. For usability, we want to take people directly to the new page. We don't want to leave them hanging on a page not found. Page not found is there just in case. So I hope you've enjoyed this screencast. If you have any questions, feel free to hit me up on Twitter @MotionBuzz. Thanks for watching.